I'm Bobby Saadian, founding president of Wilshire Law Firm, a California-based law firm that was founded in 2007. We specialize in personal injury, employee rights, consumer class actions, and wage and hour class actions. I originally had no intention of practicing law. I came from a hard-working family where professionalism, high levels of education were demanded of me. My father, God rest his beautiful soul, was a practicing physician. His lifelong dream was for me to follow his footsteps and to practice medicine as well. I did that for a long time, for as long as I could. But one day I came home and told my mom and dad, I said, I love you guys, but I can't do this anymore. I took a break from school. I found myself, and I went back, and I started a JD MBA at Pepperdine Law, and it was time for me to hit the ground running. This was a very challenging time in my life because, as you may have gathered very quickly, my father was a very important force in my life. He passed away shortly after I passed the bar exam. It was a tragic time. He was too young, I was too young. But I had a mission, and I realized that somebody needs to take care of our family. And it brought me to where I am today. I own and operate one of the biggest law firms in the entire state of California. It's impossible for me to connect with every single client. But I want to. I make myself available because I know every single one of those clients that's in front of my office, sitting in front of me at my desk, needs me. And I give them all of my attention, all of my passion. I usually start my meetings with, I'm going to apologize to you because this is going to get pretty serious pretty quickly, because I get so passionate when I'm talking to a client. But I'll tell you, some of the best results that I've had at my firm, all of the 8-figure cases, every single case that we've had a verdict or a settlement over $10 million, I've had a very strong connection with that client. Marketing a law firm is ever-changing, moving target. You know, in the 80s, it might have been the Yellow Pages or, Channel 7. In the 90s, it might have still been the Yellow Pages. But boy, since I started what I've been doing, it's been digital. And it's not gonna change. And as lawyers, we need to evolve. And if we don't grow and evolve with the change and the times, we will become dinosaurs. I've seen it happen to too many of the best lawyers out there. Sort of went away because they were not effective at marketing themselves. We all have an inception of purpose. Knowing what you want to do and why you want to do it, whether it's running a business, taking a case to trial, being a father, being a husband, being a civilian in the world, whatever it is that we do, it's what gives you the strength to make it through those tough times, because you will be challenged and you will be tested. And when you are challenged and you are tested, you need to be prepared and you need to be knowledgeable and you need to be skilled. And what's going to take you further when you use that skill is your purpose. Ever since childhood, excellence was something that I was taught was not something to be celebrated. It was something that was expected of me. My father, God rest his beautiful soul, would tell me, these great things that you're doing, I expect these of you because you're clearly very capable of doing it. You have a capability, you have a capacity, which means you not only have this blessing and this privilege, but you have an even greater responsibility. Not only do I demand excellence of myself, I'm so grateful to work with a team of people who demands excellence of their own selves as well. Owning and operating Wilshire Law Firm, aside from my family, my beautiful kids and my wife, has been the most rewarding experience of my life. I'm so grateful that I get to do what I do because all the love that I put into my work, it comes right back. It's one of the best, most rewarding relationships that I have in my life is with my work, because my work is totally loyal to me. All the love that I give to it, it gives right back.